In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a board in Miro. Miro is a collaborative online whiteboard platform loved by teams worldwide for its ease of use and versatility in planning, brainstorming, and ideation sessions. Collaborative tools like this are crucial for fostering teamwork, especially in remote environments. So, whether you're a seasoned user or a newcomer finding your way, this guide will walk you through the process. First, let's navigate to the Miro dashboard by visiting the Miro website. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the boards page, a hub showcasing all your recent projects or starting points for new ones. Here, your next step is to select the specific board you want to share. Clicking on your chosen board will take you inside, where the magic happens. Once you're inside the board, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the screen. You'll spot a share button neatly positioned there. This button is your gateway to inviting others to your board, so go ahead and click it. A window will appear with several options for adding collaborators. To add specific team members, you can enter their email addresses directly. If Miro is integrated with tools you use regularly, like Slack, Google, or Microsoft, you can seamlessly invite people from within those apps. Easy integration with these platforms makes it very convenient to bring your entire team on board without switching contexts. Alternatively, Miro provides a shareable link to your board, which you can copy and distribute as you prefer. However, it's essential to keep security in mind. Make sure that only the right people have access to your board, as boards can often contain sensitive information. Now, you might be wondering about restricting or granting specific access levels. Before sending out invitations, take a moment to adjust the board access settings. These settings allow you to control who can do what on your board. Click on Board Access, which usually appears alongside the sharing options. A menu will appear with a few different choices. Selecting anyone with the link will make the board accessible to anyone who has the link. There are several tiers of access you can grant: viewer, editor, commenter, or no access at all. A viewer can look but not alter anything, which is excellent for when you want to share progress without risking changes. Meanwhile, the editor role allows for full collaboration, and the commenter role is limited to leaving comments without editing the content. With these settings in your control, you can tailor the level of collaboration to fit your project's needs, ensuring that everyone involved has the right amount of access. Remember, setting up these permissions is crucial for maintaining control over your content and how it's distributed. And there you have it, a simple walkthrough on how to share a board in Miro. By following these steps, you can easily collaborate with your team no matter where they are in the world. Happy collaborating.